Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you 30 life-changing tips that will fully transform you and help you look naturally beautiful. Whether it's hair care, skin care, or boosting your confidence, I've got you covered. So if you're ready to glow from the inside out, make sure to stick around till the end. Let's dive right in. Skincare. Follow a consistent skincare routine that includes cleansing, toning, and moisturizing twice a day. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Exfoliate your skin 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin cells and reveal a smoother complexion. Use skincare products with natural ingredients like aloe vera, green tea, and honey for a gentle yet effective treatment. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen of at least 30 SPF daily, even on cloudy days to protect your skin from UV damage. Cleanse your face twice daily to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Makeup tips. Aim for a natural makeup look that enhances your features rather than masking them. Use products like tinted moisturizers, light blush, and nude lip colors or gloss that complements your skin tone and would give a fresh and natural appearance. Remember, less is more, and one more thing. Ensure you blend your makeup well for a seamless and natural finish. Guidance and cautions for skincare and makeup products. Always perform a patch test before using new skincare or makeup products to avoid allergic reactions. Choose non-comedogenic products to avoid clogging pores and causing breakouts. Never sleep with makeup on. Always remove it thoroughly before bed to prevent skin issues. Check the ingredients list to ensure the products are suitable for your skin type. Clean your makeup brushes and sponges regularly to prevent bacterial buildup. Hair care. Trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks to prevent split ends and promote healthy growth. Use a deep conditioner or hair mask once a week to keep your hair moisturized and shiny. Incorporate natural oils like coconut, argan, or jojoba oil into your hair care routine to nourish and protect your hair. Use a wide-tooth comb or a boar bristle brush to detangle your hair gently, reducing breakage. Massage your scalp with warm oil like coconut or olive oil to improve blood circulation and promote hair growth. Limit the use of heat styling tools. When necessary, use a heat protectant spray to minimize damage. Oral care. Floss daily to remove plaque and prevent gum disease, ensuring a healthy and beautiful smile. Use an alcohol-free mouthwash to kill bacteria and freshen your breath. Visit your dentist every 6 months for cleanings and checkups to maintain oral health. Nail care. Keep your cuticles moisturized with cuticle oil or cream to prevent them from becoming dry and cracked. Trim and file your nails regularly to keep them healthy and prevent breakage. Use a nail strengthener if you have weak or brittle nails to promote growth and durability. Refrain from biting your nails to prevent damage and maintain their appearance. Body care. Apply a body lotion or oil after showering to keep your skin soft and hydrated. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine to stay fit, healthy, and glowing. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to nourish your body from within. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to allow your body to rejuvenate. Hygiene tips. Take regular showers and use a gentle body wash to keep your skin clean and fresh. Apply a natural deodorant to stay fresh and odor-free throughout the day. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially before eating and after using the restroom. Outfits and hairstyles. Choose outfits that make you feel comfortable and confident. Experiment with different styles to find what suits you best. Opt for simple and elegant hairstyles that are easy to manage and style. For example, a low ponytail, loose waves, or a classic bun. Confidence tips. Start your day with positive affirmations to boost your self-esteem and set a positive tone. Take time for self-care activities that make you feel good, whether it's reading a book, taking a bath, or practicing yoga. Practice mindfulness and meditation to reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Practice good posture to exude confidence and improve your overall appearance. Smiling not only makes you look more approachable but also boosts your mood and confidence. Set achievable goals and work towards them to feel accomplished and confident. Keep a gratitude journal to focus on the positive aspects of your life. Lastly, remember true beauty comes from within, and these tips are just a way to enhance your natural glow. Thank you so much for watching. Share your favorite tips in the comments below and let us know what topics you'd like to see next. Keep shining, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.